Google I/O 2025. Google goes all in on AI. Google I/O 2025 wasn't just another developer conference, it was a statement. A declaration that the company is not only serious about artificial intelligence, but fully committed to reimagining its future around it. For years, Google has been at the forefront of AI research, but this year it transformed that research into concrete, consumer-ready products. In a clear pivot from its Android-centric past, the focus was firmly on AI, and more specifically, Gemini, Google's family of generative AI models. From smarter searches and supercharged assistants to powerful creative tools and new wearable platforms, Google is reshaping its entire ecosystem around AI. Here's a deep look at the top 5 announcements that truly stole the spotlight. 1. Gemini 2.5 Pro and Deep Think Mode. Next-level AI reasoning. At the core of this AI renaissance is Gemini 2.5 Pro, the most powerful large language model Google has built to date. But it's not just about raw power, it's about intelligence. With the introduction of a new Deep Think mode, Gemini can now engage in more sophisticated reasoning processes. Imagine asking it to solve a complex calculus problem or debug a multi-layered piece of code. Instead of giving you a quick, shallow answer, it thinks through the problem more like a human would, exploring multiple hypotheses, analyzing each possibility, and then arriving at the most accurate solution. This feature uses additional compute resources to simulate deeper thought processes and is especially useful for advanced users, researchers, and professionals looking for more than surface-level AI help. What this means in practice is a model that can better understand abstract concepts, solve multi-step logical problems, and deliver highly nuanced results. It's Google's closest leap yet toward building a reasoning machine, one that doesn't just respond but thinks, plans, and explains. 2. AI mode in Google Search, reinventing how we search the web. Search has always been Google's crown jewel, but even that is being redefined. Enter AI mode in Google Search, a new way to interact with the world's information. Instead of typing keyword-based queries and scanning dozens of links, users will now be able to ask natural language, multi-part questions, and receive smart summaries powered by Gemini, right in the search results. For example, instead of searching Best Budget DSLR 2025, you could ask, what are some great DSLR cameras under $1,000 for beginners who want to shoot in low light? And instead of pages of results, you'll get a neatly structured, AI-curated answer, complete with product recommendations, expert insights, and links for deeper reading. It's the most significant shift in search since the knowledge graph, and it promises to reduce friction, eliminate information overload, and make digital exploration feel more conversational and intuitive. Google describes it as the next evolution of search, where the engine becomes more like a human guide than a database. And this isn't limited to simple tasks. You can ask for planning advice, compare legal policies, or even generate creative outlines, all from the familiar Google homepage. 3. Android XR and smart glasses, the return of wearables, powered by Gemini. After the demise of Google Glass, many believed Google had given up on smart eyewear. But at I/O 2025, Google made a strong comeback with the announcement of Android XR, a new operating system built from the ground up for extended reality devices, including headsets and smart glasses. This platform will run on a new wave of wearable devices, including Samsung's upcoming Project Muhan and fashion-forward smart glasses created in collaboration with brands like Gentle Monster and Warby Parker. These aren't the clunky, enterprise-focused headsets of yesterday. Google's vision is sleek, fashionable, and packed with AI capabilities, powered by Gemini on device. Imagine walking down the street and seeing real-time information overlays, translations of street signs, object recognition, email previews, turn-by-turn directions, all right on your lens. It's AI assistance that doesn't live on your phone anymore. It lives on your face. This bold re-entry into wearables reflects Google's goal to make AI ambient, always on, and contextually aware. Android XR aims to be the platform where AR, VR, and AI converge to create entirely new experiences for work, creativity, and everyday life. 4. Veo 3, Imagen 4, and Flow. Hollywood in a box. Perhaps the most revolutionary and controversial announcement was the unveiling of Veo 3 and Imagen 4, Google's next-gen models for video and image generation. These models allow creators to generate ultra-realistic visuals, sound, and even dialogue using simple prompts. But it doesn't stop there. Google also introduced Flow, a full-fledged AI filmmaking tool that brings all these elements together. Flow lets users maintain visual consistency between scenes, extend scenes with new dialogue or animations, and even craft entire narratives with just a few creative directions. It's capable of generating B-roll footage, music, lighting cues, and more. Imagen 4 enhances the visual quality of generated images, making them more realistic and better at rendering text and textures, something past models struggled with. This suite of tools is poised to democratize media production, giving indie creators, YouTubers, advertisers, and game studios Hollywood-level production capabilities with minimal budgets. While some fear it could disrupt traditional filmmaking jobs, others see it as a massive creative leap that enables anyone with a vision to bring it to life. 5. Project Astra plus Gemini Live. AI that sees, hears, and understands. Google also showed us what's next in real-time AI with the integration of Project Astra into the Gemini app, launching as a feature called Gemini Live. Project Astra has been Google DeepMind's experiment in building an AI assistant that perceives and interacts with the real world, and now it's going mainstream. Gemini Live can see through your phone's camera, analyze visual data in real time, and respond with useful, context-aware information. It can help you fix something around the house, solve a puzzle, identify a plant, or give you information about landmarks and objects in your surroundings. But it doesn't stop at vision. It also understands your tone of voice, detects emotional states, and responds accordingly, creating empathetic and more natural conversations. The system has been upgraded to ignore background conversations, making it more focused and accurate. Combined, these features make Gemini Live feel less like a chatbot and more like a true AI assistant, one that can observe, listen, feel, and act. The bigger picture: Google's AI ambitions realized. The announcements from Google I/O 2025 make it abundantly clear: AI is no longer a side project. It is now the foundation of everything Google is building. From reimagining how we search for information to putting intelligence in our glasses, from creating blockbuster-level media to building AI that sees and hears, Google is constructing an ecosystem where Gemini is the connective tissue across apps, devices, and platforms. Unlike previous years, where many I/O demos remained in the lab for months or years, most of what was shown this year is rolling out soon, if not already available to early testers and developers. That means this AI-powered future is closer than you think, and Google is making sure you're a part of it.